recognize this song. This is actually an original of mine, and it's called Not Ready Yet. How long do I go on living this double life? It's no good on my mind, it's no good for my soul. And every time you're near me, I imagine what it's like to touch those lips, what I'd do to have one kiss. I gotta find a way to tell you I fell for you the moment that we met. But you may not look at me the same. My heart's not ready for that yet. I'm not ready for that yet. How could this happen? This just shouldn't be real. 'Cause you are my best friend.